To use Venmo effectively and securely, follow these steps. First, make sure you have the Venmo app downloaded and installed on your device. Open the app and log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by following the in-app instructions. To initiate a transfer, click on the Pay or Request button at the bottom of the screen. Enter the recipient's username, phone number, or email address. If the recipient is not a Venmo user, they will be prompted to create an account to receive the transfer. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer and add a note to describe the purpose of the transfer. This note will appear in both your and the recipient's transaction history. You can also add emojis to the note to make it more personal. Before completing the transfer, review the transaction details carefully. Make sure the recipient's information is correct and the amount is accurate. You can also choose to make the transfer public or private. If you choose to make it public, the transaction will appear in your and the recipient's social feed. To complete the transfer, click the Pay button. The funds will be deducted from your linked bank account, credit card, or debit card. The recipient will receive a notification that they have received a transfer and can then transfer the funds to their own bank account. To avoid any issues with your transfers, make sure your account is funded and your bank account or card is linked correctly. Also, be aware of Venmo's transfer limits, which vary depending on the type of account you have and your account history. In addition, to keep your account secure, use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. This will help prevent unauthorized access to your account. Regularly review your transaction history to detect any suspicious activity. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Venmo to send and receive money quickly and securely. Remember to always review your transactions carefully and keep your account information up to date. To avoid any issues,